Lavender's lovely scent is a balm to a stressed out mind. Simply smelling the lavender plant or essential oil soothes anxiety and decreases stress. Herbalists have long recommended lavender pillows and sachets as a bedtime aid to promote deeper sleep. Some interesting studies have confirmed this use. One study looked at how improved sleep habits combined with lavender essential oil could help college students who reported having sleep issues. 79 students were split into two groups. Both groups were given important guidelines to improve their sleep, like maintaining a regular sleep schedule, avoiding fluid intake before bedtime, avoiding caffeine and alcohol late in the day, creating a good sleeping environment, like having darkness, avoiding screens, texting, having a relaxing bedtime routine, and exercising regularly. Then, one group of these students was given lavender essential oil patch to place on their chest at night. The other group was given an identical patch without the essential oil. While both groups showed improvements in sleep quality, those using the lavender patches had significant improvements over those solely using sleep hygiene practices. Another study showed that smelling lavender helped to improve the sleep of people who had recently given birth. Lavender can go beyond helping people to get their necessary sleep. A small pilot study has shown that it can also improve postpartum anxiety and depression for high-risk folks. Lavender's ability to soothe nerves and relieve stress can be a gift in countless situations. A few years back, my friend and fellow herbalist Thomas Easley and I were going through a very stressful time together. One of our daily practices was what we called our garden ritual, which simply involved breathing in the sweet aromas of this huge lavender plant in a garden near our rooms. Now I refer to these as lavender moments. Numerous clinical studies have looked at lavender's ability to relieve stress and anxiety in many different ways. Several studies have shown that breathing lavender prior to surgery or a dental appointment can be positively relaxing. It has also been shown to relieve the agitation that often accompanies dementia. Lavender oil aromatherapy in nursing homes has been shown to decrease falls in elderly folks. Herbalist David Winston recommends lavender for people who feel they are in a fog and for those experiencing stagnant depression, which he defines as a fixation on a specific traumatic event. For these purposes, he recommends using the whole plant internally as a tea or a tincture, and he likes to combine it with lemon balm. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.